The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is a tandem rotor helicopter originally developed by American rotorcraft company Vertol and now manufactured by Boeing Defense, Space and Security. The Chinook is a heavy-lift helicopter that is among the heaviest lifting Western helicopters. Its name, Chinook, is from the Native American Chinook people of Oregon and Washington state. Prepare to be captivated by the extraordinary legend of the CH-47 Chinook helicopter, a true icon that reigns supreme in the skies of aviation. With its awe-inspiring tandem rotor design and unmatched versatility, the Chinook has transcended the boundaries of mere machinery. At first glance, it may seem contradictory that the CH-47 Chinook possesses both a massive carrying capacity and impressive speed. However, a closer inspection of this magnificent machine unveils a multitude of features that have firmly established its position as one of the world's most recognizable helicopters. It stands as a symbol of unparalleled strength, unwavering reliability, and limitless adaptability. From the hallowed battlegrounds of military operations to the noble endeavors of humanitarian missions, the Chinook has firmly etched its name in the annals of rotorcraft history. The CH-47 is powered by two turboshaft engines, mounted on each side of the helicopter's rear pylon and connected to the rotors by drive shafts. Initial models were fitted with Lycoming T55 engines rated at 2,200 horsepower, 1,600 kilowatts each. The counter-rotating rotors eliminate the need for an anti-torque vertical rotor, allowing all power to be used for lift and thrust. The self-sealing fuel tanks are mounted in external fairings on the sides of the fuselage. The fixed tanks hold 3,900 L of fuel. 3 additional fuel tanks can be carried in the cargo area. The range of the helicopter can be extended by in-flight refueling. The ability to adjust lift in either rotor makes it less sensitive to changes in the center of gravity, important for the cargo lifting and dropping. While hovering over a specific location, a twin-rotor helicopter has increased stability over a single rotor when weight is added or removed. For example, when troops drop from or begin climbing up ropes to the aircraft, or when other cargo is dropped. If one engine fails, the other can drive both rotors. The sizing of the Chinook was directly related to the growth of the Huey and the Army's tacticians' insistence that initial air assaults be built around the squad. The Army pushed for both the Huey and the Chinook, and this focus was responsible for the acceleration of its air mobility effort. The cockpit accommodates 2 pilots and an observer. Boeing and Honeywell developed an advanced digital cockpit. The cockpit is equipped with multifunction liquid crystal displays and electronic flight instruments. The crew is equipped with Anvis 7 night vision goggles from Elbit, and the cockpit is night vision goggle, NVG, compatible. The communication suite includes jam-resistant HF and UHF radio systems developed and supplied by Rockwell Collins and Raytheon. The helicopter features AN/APX-100 Identification Friend or Foe (IFF) interrogator from Allied Signal.